Right. So in the last class, we started discussing about the backups, guys. Okay. So in the last class, we discussed about the full backup. Okay. And discussed about the differential backup. Okay. Full and differential backup. So what is a full backup, guys? What is a full backup?
When we take the backups from the offline database, when the database is offline.
Hmm? Yeah,
It is a
what
copy
something?
of the
Yeah,
it is a copy of the existing data. Yes.
yes. Yeah. Okay. So Sampath, you are saying something. Can you please repeat it? You can take the backups when the database is offline.
I'm telling about the hot backup.
Sorry, I'm still not getting you. What is
I'm
it?
telling about the hot backups, Sushant.
Okay, you're telling about the hot backups. Now tell me, what is hot backup?
When we take the backup from when the database is offline.
Oh, that is a hot backup. Hmm. That's what we discussed in the last week. Hmm. Just check it once, Sampath. That is wrong completely. Right. So, guys, when you took the full backup, two things will happen. What are those two things?
It will create a full database backup.
Very good.
And second one is DCM
Very
page will
good.
be reset.
Very good. Okay. So when you take the full backup, it will take the backup of the whole database, including all the files, your data file and log file. First thing. Second thing is, as the journey will start from the last full backup. So if you go through that differential backup definition, always the journey will start from the last full backup. Okay. So whenever a successful full backup happened, SQL Server SQL Server will reset the DCM pages. So from that point onwards, again it will start tracking the new changes. Okay. So that is the full backup. Full backup will take the backup of the whole database, including all the files, including all the transactions, committed and uncommitted transactions. First point. Second point, after a successful full backup, okay, SQL Server will reset the DCM pages. Okay, we'll reset the DCM pages from last full backup onwards, from the last successful full backup onwards. Again, the DCM pages will start tracking all the changed extents, guys. Okay. Now I have a quick question for all of you. Okay, listen carefully. Now the database is big, quite big. So it will take 1 hour to take the backup. Imagine 1 hour. So now I started the backup at 9 o'clock, or the time is 7:20 now. Imagine I started the backup at 7:20. Okay, and it took around 1 hour up to 8:20. Okay, so now a transaction is inserted at 8:19. Okay, a transaction is inserted on the same database at 8:19. So now tell me, this transaction is part of the current full backup or not? Type your answers in the chat. Type your answers in the chat, guys. You got my question, right? You want me to repeat? The backup
Sir,
started
can you
at,
please repeat the question?
yes, please, no problem. So backup started at 7:20 and it will take 1 hour to complete. By 8:20, it will be completed. In the meantime, at 8:19, one transaction is inserted, one record inserted on the database, a particular table, one of the table in that particular database. So one record is inserted. Now that record, whatever we can say that a transaction is part of the current full backup or not. Backup already started. The records are inserted. The records that are started, the records that are inserted after the full backup until the full backup is going to be completed is part of the current full backup file or not. Right. Okay. That's it, guys. Anyone is going to respond? Right. Okay. Sharath, no. Kalyani, I think yes. Tabassum, no idea. But I think if it is committed transaction, the entry will be in the full backup. So Tabassum. So only committed records will be part of full backup, or both committed and uncommitted also will be part of full backup.
At the time, I think I don't know, but
Okay.
just
Okay. Normally, guys, tell me others like only committed data will be backed up, or committed and uncommitted also will be backed up.
uncommitted will be
Both.
there, but generally the
Both
first
are valid.
transactions will be recorded in logged, right?
Okay. So Farooq,
So
yes.
I'm thinking in that.
Okay. Okay. Farooq, yes. Saurabh, no. Need to take differential backup. B, no. Radha, yes. Mauni, no. Sampath, no. Kadir, no. Sanjeev, no. Harishankar, yes. The transaction will be part of the full backup. Okay. So the answer is yes, guys. Okay. The transaction is part of the current full backup. Listen carefully. Again, I'll repeat my sentence. Full backup will take the backup of the whole database, including committed and uncommitted transactions. First point. Committed and uncommitted transactions. First point. Second point, it will reset the DCM pages. Second point. Third point, in this scenario, not only in this scenario, in general also. As I said, that I used a word called it will take the backup of committed and uncommitted transactions. So if you inserted a transaction at 819, the backup is going to be completed by 820. Okay, as you inserted the transaction at 819, the backup is still running. This transaction will be an uncommitted transaction. Full backup will take the committed and uncommitted transactions backup. So this transaction will be part of the current full backup. Is it clear? Interview question. This is everyone. Clear, guys? That's why I used a word
Yes.
called committed and uncommitted until the backup is going to be completed. Once you started at 720, from that point onwards, okay, whatever transaction, anyhow 720, till 720, whatever data is there, it is going to take the backup. But after 720 also, when you initiated the full backup also, until it is going to be completed, whatever transactions are part of the database, whether it is a committed or uncommitted, that is a different thing. What are the transactions are part of that particular database, okay? Then if the transaction fails, Tabassum, how it will be inserted into the database?
Okay.
If it is successful, then only it will be inserted, right? The table, the record will be part of the table, right? So it won't, okay? If the transaction fails, there is no point of, okay, the discussion also.
Or else if it is taking more than a minute, because
That
you
is
said at
that
8:19,
that
right?
is that is different
In
case.
that scenario,
Before completion, before completion. Okay, first let's clear with this point. Okay, so remaining the other things. Okay, so before completion of the backup, whatever things are running on the database, guys, before completion of the backup, whatever things are running, it will take the backup of all the things, whether it is a committed or uncommitted. Okay, that is a different thing. Whatever things are running on that particular database, till the backup is going to be completed, it will take the backup. Is it clear, guys, everyone?
Yes, Shani.
I'm not getting you, Harshankar. Please confirm what will be the last transaction in the full backup. It can be anything. We cannot confirm, Harshankar.
I mean, I mean, Samuk, let's suppose not only one transaction during the backup, during taking the full backup, so many transactions will be coming. Okay, so how SQL Server know that the
It
now
won't, there is
full
no
backup has
particular, yeah, there is no particular point. Okay, at one point, if, see, it's even though it's a continuous system, if it's continuously running, still it will try to take the backup until the transactions are coming. So it can be, it will take time to complete the backup also. The time also will increase.
Okay.
Okay, it's not
So
like a
when
fixed price, it
SQL
will
server, when the transaction will idle or
idle,
then
correct. Yes, when
okay,
there is no action on the database,
okay,
then it will stop, okay, completing the particular database. It will throw you the successful message, backup completed successfully. Okay, guys, is it clear? Yes, yes, please be.
So if you have a backup that is running,
Your voice is too low.
so
Maybe you're far away from the mic.
I say, so can you hear me now? Is it better?
Not okay. You can ask. You can ask. I'll try to understand.
So I was asking if you have a database, right, that is a backup that is running more than expected hours, let me say 8 hours, right?
Mm.
And then you have a differential, or you have TLOC backup schedule also, and it's interfering with the time that you schedule
Good
the
question.
differential or
Good
the
question. Good
or the T
question.
backup.
Good question. I got your question. That is called concurrent backups.
Yeah.
Concurrent backups. So will be discussed. Means when a full is running, can I run the differential or not? Very good question. When the full is running, can I run the log backup or not on the same database? Okay, so that is called concurrent backups, guys. That will be discussed at the end. I'll tell you whether it is possible or not. I'll give you the assignment also. Okay, on that concurrent backups. Right,
Okay.
guys. Any other questions? Okay, so one thing that you have to remember, okay, when you take the full backup, it will take the backup of the whole committed and uncommitted transactions. And until it is going to be completed, whatever transactions are coming into the database, it will take the backup of all the transactions, including committed and uncommitted transactions. Is this clear, everyone? Any other questions, guys? Are we good on this? Right. And what is the command to take the full backup, guys? What is the command to take the full backup? Anyone remember the command to take the full backup? Interview question. So they will ask sometimes to write the commands and all right, small commands like this. They will ask, what is the full backup command?
backup
Mm.
Backup
database
database
name
name
Mm. Okay.
to
and
path.
to disk
Is equal to
equal to the path or
path,
name of the
path and
Path.
file
Yeah.
name dot bak.
name of
Okay.
the file name
Yeah. So
and
very
dot
good.
bak.
Yes. Okay. Fine. So now let's come to the differential backup. Okay. Differential backup means it will take the backup of all the changed extents since last full backup, right? It will take the backup of all the changed extents since last full backup. Remember always one recent differential backup is enough to restore. Okay. Backup all change actions since last full backup. Yeah. Right. Always one recent differential backup is enough to restore. Okay. So for even though you don't understand the definition of differential backup, just try to remember this point. This is enough. This is your life-saving point. Okay. How many backups you have, but you have to consider the last recent differential backup. Are you getting the point, guys? So it's not like if you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday differential backups, which one you have to consider to restore if the database is corrupted on Saturday? Which one you have to consider?
Friday.
Friday's differential backup. So
Fridays.
always one recent differential backup is enough to restore. Remember this point. This is enough. Differential backups will be always one. If you tell more than one, HR will get back to you. Okay. Remember, guys, always whatever question it is in the interview, also blindly tell them only one recent differential backup with the last full backup. With the last full backup, the last recent differential backup is enough. Okay, don't tell two differential backups, three differential backups. That is a very blunder mistake. Okay, always one recent differential backup is enough to restore. So which system page will help you to track the changed extents, guys? Which system page will help you to track the changed extents for differential backup? You can see answer on the screen, still you are not able to answer.
DCM, right?
DCM page.
DCM pages, okay, differential changed map. Differential change map will keep tracking all the change extent since last full backup. Whenever you trigger a differential backup, SQL Server will go to the DCM page. Hey, tell me what are the changes or what are the pages that you have that has been changed since last full backup. So DCM page will give the list. So SQL Server will take the backup of only the changed extents. Okay, so who will be the responsible person to track all these changes, guys? DCM page. How differential backup will work? In the interview, they will ask how differential backup will work. So for differential backup, there is a special page, a system page called DCM page, differential changed map. Will track all the changes since last full backup. It will track the changed extents since last full backup. So whenever we trigger a differential backup, so SQL Server will directly go to the DCM page, and DCM page will provide the changed extents information. So SQL Server will take the backup of only the changed extents information. Okay, so that is all about your differential backup, guys. So now we have full, we have differential. Okay, now for example, this is the scenario. If my database is corrupted, okay, the database is corrupted Sunday morning, imagine at 10:20, 10:20. Okay, Sunday morning at 10:20. So with our backups, I have till now I have full backup. I have differential backup also. Okay, same scenario. Every day we have differential backup is running. Every day we have full backup. Sorry, every Sunday we have full backup running. So until the Sunday morning, Saturday morning, right? Okay. So we have full backup every day. Oh, sorry. We have full backup every Sunday, weekly. Okay, we have full backup every Sunday, and every day differential backup is running. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Every day differential backup is running at at night 8 p.m. Every day differential backup is running at night 8 p.m. So Saturday morning suddenly at 10:20 the database is corrupted. At 10:20 the database is corrupted. So how many backups will be used, guys? Till now whatever we learned, like full backup and differential backup, right? So Saturday morning my database is corrupted at 10:20. So till what time you can recover with your existing backups? You have only full and differential backup for now. Till what time you can recover with your existing backups?
Full Sunday backup
Sunday backup, very
Sunday
good.
full
So
backup,
very good.
Friday up
Differential
to
backup.
and
8
Up to
Sunday
8.
and recent
differential backup,
Very good. Okay.
latest.
Sunday full backup. When you restore Sunday full backup from the database creation to that Sunday, all the data it will come. And Friday differential backup. So Friday differential backup means whatever data is there from last Sunday to Friday, it will come. So differential backup is running till 8 p.m., right? So till 8 p.m., your backup is recovered. Okay, guys, 1 minute, please, 1 minute. Sorry, guys, sorry. Right. Okay. So when you restore the Friday differential backup, as differential backups are running every day at 9 p.m., so you are able to recover the data till Friday 8 p.m. So now what data is missing, guys? Now we are missing with Saturday morning 10:20, the database is corrupted. Now we are able to recover till Friday evening 8 p.m. This is clear, right, everyone? This is clear, right? Now what
Yes.
data we are missing? What data we are missing now?
8 p.m. to
Friday 8 p.m.
10:20.
to
Very good.
Saturday
Saturday
10:20.
morning 10:20 we are
10:20.
missing the data.
Yes.
Correct? So as a DBA, the very important point is, like I told you, we have to provide a safety to the backup. Security is one concern and safety is also one more responsibility of the DBA. So I'm missing with this much of data, almost more than 12 hours, 8 to 10, 20, 14 hours of data we are missing. 14 hours of data we are missing. So how we are able to recover that 14 hours of data? Is there any other mechanism we have? Yes, that is called log backups. Log backups. So log backups will help you to recover the data till a second before its corruption. Okay, log backup will help you to recover the data till a second before its corruption, guys. So there is a concept called point in time recovery. What is that, guys? Point in time recovery. Point in time recovery. What is this? What is the meaning of point in time recovery, guys? Recovering the,
Without any DOS,
yes,
we can
data loss.
able to recover.
Recovering the database, okay, till a second before its corruption. Okay, so recovering the database without data loss, you can say, is called a point in time recovery. Okay, recovering the database or minimizing the data loss. Minimizing the data loss by restoring existing backups is called point in time recovery. PITR. PITR, point in time recovery, guys. So how we can achieve this point in time recovery? If anyone is asking how to achieve point in time recovery, guys, how I can minimize the data loss? How I can minimize the data loss? By restoring the backups, right? So what backups I should have to restore? How I can achieve the point in time recovery? By restoring full backup, by restoring differential backup, and
log.
by restoring log backups. And we have one more backup called tail log backup. I'll tell you what is this log and tail log backup. Okay, backup. Okay, so by restoring all these backups, we can able to recover the database till a second before its corruption. Okay, so how, if anyone is asking how to achieve point in time recovery, okay, by using existing full backup, differential backup, log backup, and tail log backup, we can achieve the point in time recovery. Clear, guys? So now let's discuss about the log backup. What is a log backup or transaction log backup? The other name is, okay, log or transaction log backup. Tell me, guys, what is transaction log backup? You can tell by just using that name of the topic, okay, concept. Tell me, guys. Yes, B, please.
It will take all the current transactions which are coming.
Very good. Yes, B, you are having any question?
Yes, sure. I'm confused between what's the backup? Incremental and incremental backup um and differential. Do we have incrementals in
Yes,
MS SQL?
yes, we have incremental backup. So forget about it, okay?
Is it
I'll tell you, okay? So I'll tell you. We just started, right? So don't worry about it. 1 minute. One minute. Right. Okay. So now listen carefully, guys. So log backup or transaction log backup. So what it will do? it will take the backup of it will take the backup of which file, guys? Your full backup and differential backup will take the backup of your data files and log files.
LDF.
Very good. Okay. What about your log backup? The name itself is saying log backup means it will take the backup of only the log file. Okay, only the log file, guys. It don't touch the data file. Your full and differential backups will take the backup of the whole database. Okay, whole database means what? Whole database means your data files and log files. Whereas your log backup, the name itself is saying log backup or transaction log backup, it will take the backup of only the log file. Log file means what? Transactions. Transaction in the sense only log file. Why? Because in the log file only transactions will be stored. In the data file, data will be stored. Data is different, transaction is different. Right? So log backup, it will take the backup of only the log file or LDF file, or the extension of log file is LDF file, guys. LDF file. Okay. So generally in the organization, what we will do, we'll take the backup for every 15 minutes. For every 15 minutes, we will take the log backup, guys. We will take the log backup. So you can see there is no condition that only for every 15 minutes you can take the log backup whenever you want. But the recommended interval is 15 minutes, 15 minutes will take the log. Most of the companies, most of the projects, okay, they will take log backup for every 15 minutes. Some companies they will go for 5 minutes also. Rarely, but 90% is, if you go and check any company, every 15 minutes they will take the log backup. That 15 minutes is not mandatory. You can take every 1 hour also, you can take every 2 hours also, you can take every day also. But generally to save it, will take for every 15 minutes. I told you, right? So in case if the database is corrupted at a specific point of time, so we should be able to recover, so that we can recover, okay, using these log backups also. So you need a full backup, you need a differential backup, the latest one, the differential backup. And now in this scenario, if I'm taking every 15 minutes log backup, okay, in this scenario, yes, Saurabh. Yeah. So in this scenario, so you are able to recover the data till Friday night 8 p.m. So from Friday night 8 p.m. to till Saturday morning 10:20, you are losing the data. So how we can achieve it? Which backup will help you to achieve that data, guys?
Log backup.
Your log backup. Okay, your log backup.
Log backup.
Using the log backups. So from Friday night 8 p.m. to, if you are taking log backups for every 15 minutes, if you are taking backups for every 15 minutes, then your Friday night 8 p.m. to your Saturday morning 10, 15 minutes interval means what? 15 minutes
After 10, 15.
10, 15.
After 10, 15, we can take.
Every 15 minutes. 8 o'clock, 8:15, 8:30, 8:45, 9 o'clock. 9:15, 9:30, 9:45, 10 o'clock. Like every 15 minutes, the interval will start. So every 15 minutes you'll have a backup. That means till what time you can able to recover, guys? Till 10:15
10:15
you are able to recover the data. Till 10:15 you are able to recover the data with the help of log backups. With the help of log backups, you are able to recover the data till 10:15. That 5 minutes data also you can get it. Okay, don't worry. Shanmukh, what about that 5 minutes data? Still we are able to get the recover the 5 minutes data also. So now is it clear, guys? Log backups, we can call them as a incremental backups. Okay, differential backup is different. Your log backups are different, guys. Okay, differential backup, one differential backup is enough. Okay, the differential backup will take the backup of all the changed extents since last will backup. Whereas your log backup will take the backup of the transactions. Okay, and what it will do, every log backup will depends on its previous log backup. Every log backup will depends on its previous log backup. For example, I told you, right, 15 minutes backup. So 10 to 10:15 log backup 1, 10:15 to 10:20 is, sorry, 10:30 log backup 2. Again I am saying your differential backup always it will point to the full backup, whereas your log backup it will not point to the, only first log backup will point to the full backup, but remaining all the backups, once the log backup is generated, okay, 8 o'clock, 8 to 8, 8:15, okay, log backup 1, okay, log backup 1, 8 to 8:15, 8 to 8:15, log backup 1, log backup 1. 8:15 to 8:30. 8:15 to 8:30. Means whatever changes are there in this 15 minutes, okay, it will take the backup in that particular 15 minutes interval. 8:15 to, okay, 8:15 to 8 for 8:30 to 8:45. 8:45 log backup 3 and 8:45
So,
to, yes please, 8:45 to 9
so
o'clock.
Shanmugh, log backup 2 doesn't contain log backup 1.
No, log backup 4.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so that is a differential backup, but not log backup. Log backup will be like that particular 15 minutes transaction. Whatever transactions are there in this window, whatever transactions are there in this window will be part of this log backup one. The transactions that are part of this particular window 8:15 to 8:30 will be part of this log backup too. And 8:30 to 8:45, whatever transactions are coming from 8:30 to 8:45 will be part of this log backup 3. And 8:45 to 9 o'clock, whatever transactions are coming will be part of log backup 4. Now tell me, if I want to restore the data 8 to 9, how many log backups I have to use?
4.
4.
Tell me guys, if I want to restore the data from 8 to 9, how many log backups I have to use?
4 backups.
Oh, sir. 15 minutes to each. Oh, 1 hour.
Right, 4 log backups you have to use. Any confusion here, please let me know. Don't worry at all. So in case if you have any confusion on the backups, log backup is also very important to us. So with sometimes not only when database is corrupted, so sometimes we'll do ad hoc requests also. We'll try to take the backup of the, or we'll try to restore the existing backups also for the for the user requirements. So that scenario also will restore full differential log backup. So these three are important backups. Daily will work with these three backups. Remaining all are like occasionally will work, but these three will work daily. And apart from this,
So Samuk,
your copy only backup. Yes, please.
Samuk, like differential backup when we take it asks every time to the DCM page. So how log backup know
See,
about
it is
the
very simple,
last?
very simple. Differential backup will take the backup of only the changed extents. Whatever changes are there, it will take the backup of only changes. But here it's not like that. Log backup, whatever things are there in that period, in the log file, in this period, whatever things are there, it will take it.
So after the 15-minute log file will be truncated to the in the data file.
Yes, depends. I'll tell you. Okay, if the log backup, if it is committed, of course it will be truncated. Okay, if it is committed, it will be truncated. If it's not committed, it will not be truncated. So that
Okay.
then those mix those two. First, let's clear with the concept. Whatever things are there in the one database is there, Amazon database. In the Amazon database, 8 to 8:15, whatever data is there in the Amazon database log file, it will take the backup.
Okay.
Differential will take only changes, but it's not like that. Your log backup will take the whole transactions from 8 to 8:15 that are there in the log backup. From 8:15 to 8:30, okay, again it will take that particular piece of transactions. Piece. 8 to 8:15, one piece. 8:15 to 8:30, one piece. 8:30 to 8:45, another piece. And 8:45 to 9 o'clock, another piece. Four
It will
pieces.
work good. It will work with the timestamp.
Correct. 4 pieces. So whatever data is there from 8 to 9, okay, you have to restore all these 4 pieces to get the data from 8 to 9. Guys, any
Sir, I have a
confusion? Yeah,
question.
please, Farooq. Yeah,
Farooq here, sir.
tell me, Farooq.
Sir, as per the conversation, uh, the full backup, when we take the full backup, the log files are included in the full backup when we take a full backup,
Yes,
or
as
in
discussed
increment.
earlier, as discussed earlier,
Okay, sir.
full backup,
And secondly, sir,
wait, full backup will take the backup of all the files, including your log file also. Yeah, tell me, Farooq.
okay. And sir, for point in time recovery,
Okay.
always the log backups will be required. Isn't it, sir?
Of course, yes. See, point in time recovery means what? So you have to able to recover the database still a second before its corruption. So without all these backups, how can I recover it?
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay, so if I want to achieve point in time recovery, I should use full, I should use differential, I should use log backup. So, and I should use tail log also. What is tail log? I'll tell you. For now, we are good with all these three backups, right? I'll tell you what is tail log backup. So, point in time recovery we can achieve with the help of full differential log backups and tail log backups, guys. Any confusion in
Look,
that? Yes, yes, please, Shankar, Sharath.
is there any automation or do we have to do it
We
manually?
we should have. Why? Because we'll handle thousands of databases. Okay, it's not possible to take 15 minutes every 15 minutes to take the log backup on every database. We have that will be covered in the next automation classes. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Shamo,
Yeah,
does the
yes.
differential backup affect the log backup?
No, no,
Does it override? Does it reset the log backup?
no,
No,
no, no, no.
because I know the full backup will reset the log, right?
Yes,
I don't know
differential
if the
backup will not.
differential
No, no,
will do the
differential will
same.
not reset anything. Okay, differential will not reset anything. Its duty is only it will take the backup of the changed extent. Whereas full duty is it will take the backup of changed extents and it will reset the DCM page. But differential backup will not impact anything. Yeah.
Okay,
Now,
thank you.
is it clear now? You said like you have a confusion between your incremental backups and differential backup. Is it clear?
Yeah, yeah. So what for what you're saying, incremental is a log backup, right?
Yes, correct. Incremental backup
Is
will
that what
take
it
the.
is?
Yes, correct, correct. Incremental backup
Okay,
will take the
okay,
backup of
yeah,
the
that's
log
clear.
files only, whereas differential backup will take the changed extents. So that is completely different. This is completely different. One differential backup is enough. Okay, always one recent differential backup is enough to restore. Whereas log backups, multiple log backups are required based on the corruption or based on the requirement. We need multiple log backups. Okay, it can be two, it can be three, it can be four. If I want to recover the data from 8 to 9, I need all the four log backups. But in the differential, if you want to recover the differential backup, if you want to recover from 8 to 9, only 9 o'clock differential backup is enough. Okay, clear? And differential will take the
So
backup.
can you set? Oh, go ahead.
Yes, B, please.
Can you set this log backup for like 2 weeks continuously?
Not 2 weeks, lifelong you can set it up. See, it's not like 1 week, 2 week. We'll set it up, okay? We'll schedule a job. We'll schedule a full backup job, which will run every Sunday or every day whenever you want. Okay, that will be like a backup strategy. I told you, right? If you remember earlier, before starting backups. So in some organizations, they will schedule full backup every Sunday and they will schedule differential backups on every day. They will schedule the log backups for every 15 minutes. We don't know when the database is going to be corrupted. So always the database is being backed up with the existing backups, guys. So it's not for 1 week, 2 weeks. B, you can schedule this for lifetime till the database is existed. It will keep running. It will keep taking 15 minutes log backup, log backup, log backup. When there is a situation if the database is corrupted, we will use the existing log backups. Okay. So we don't know, right, when this database will be corrupted and also that's why we'll keep taking the backup. Suddenly, if it is corrupted, we'll use the existing backups. Guys, okay, log backups will work based on the LSN numbers. Based on the LSN numbers, log sequence number. Okay, log backups will work based on the LSN number. So LSN number will be like this. Okay, I'm just giving an example, something like this. Something like this. Okay, 40, 41, 42. Right, right. 39, 40, 41, 42. Okay, this is an example of LSN number. This is how generally it will be. So now You can see here, this log backup 2, we can restore only if you restored log backup 1, guys. Okay, before restoring 40, 1240, it will check whether this 1239 is restored or not. So in between, if this log backup is deleted, can I restore this log backup, guys? Third one, is it possible to restore log backup 3 if log backup 2 is deleted?
No.
No.
Not at all possible.
No, no.
Remember, is this clear, guys, everyone? I told you, right, every log backup will depends on its previous log backup. So while restoring, it will check the LSN is matching or not. That's why sometimes you will get, when you restoring the log backups, you will get an error, LSN mismatch. LSN mismatch. It is too early to apply, too recent to apply. These kind of errors you can see while restoring the log backups. Okay, what it means, if you see too early to apply the log backup can't be restored as it is too early to apply. Means in between you are missing one log backup. So if you want to restore 1240 log backup, 1239 should be restored first. If you want to restore 1241, 1240 should be restored. It's a chain. In this chain, if something is broken, that's it. If you have 100 log backups, now ninth log backup is deleted, guys. Now tell me, type your answers in the chat. Tell me how many log backups I can restore without issues.
Sanu, can you repeat?
We have 100 log backups. Okay. For example, in this scenario, 10, 20. Okay. Here, if you go back to our scenario, every Sunday full backup, every day differential backup at 8 p.m. and every 15 minutes log backup. So now my database is corrupted on Saturday morning 10:20. Okay, my database is corrupted on Saturday morning 10:20. So now here 10:20. So how many log backups you will restore, guys? From Friday evening 8 p.m. to Saturday morning 10:15. Correct? So Friday evening 8 p.m. to Saturday morning 10:15. How many log backups we will get it? Count it, every 15 minutes one log backup. Friday 8 p.m. to Saturday 10:15. How many log backups total? Count it once. Every hour 4 log backups. So 14
57.
hours. 57 hours. 14 hours, 14 fours. Is it 57?
67.
No, 67. 8, 4, 4, and 10. 20, 14 hours and one more
57
backup
up
will
to
be remain.
10:15.
57 only.
56. Yeah,
57.
56.
Up
56.
14
to
hours.
10:15,
Yeah,
57.
57. Okay, Ari.
Yes,
So
57.
57. Out of this 57, if ninth log backup is deleted, how many you can restore? Sharath.
Up.
Sharath.
8.
8.
Yeah.
You got the point now?
I
Okay,
didn't
so
get the question correctly.
Sharath, very simple. You have 100 log backups with you. Ninth log backup is deleted. How many log backups you can
Okay.
restore?
I think
8,
8, right?
sir, 8.
8 only. Right, here also the same scenario. So that is a chain. In between, if something is broken, so you cannot make use of the other log backup from that point onwards. So till 1 to 8 we are safe, we are good, so you can restore the 8 backups. As ninth is deleted, you cannot restore 10th. If there is no 10th, there is no 11. If there is no 11, there is no 12, so the chain will continue, guys. Okay, are we good now about the log backups, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. So
Sir,
now
in a
yes,
in a production environment,
sorry, in a production environment.
may I ask a question, sir?
Yeah. Yeah, Farooq, you can go ahead.
So, okay, sir. Sir, my question is in a production environment, whether you have or someone else has faces such activity where the chain has
Of course,
broken
of course, of course.
the log
We will
files.
get it. We will get. That's why I'm explaining, right? We will get it. That is common. Sometimes we'll get it. Sometimes not regularly. Okay, log backups will
Okay.
not be deleted, as you know the importance. No one will delete the log backups on the server side, production side. No one is going to delete anything. Somehow, maybe if they are doing any patching kind of activities, Windows patching and all, maybe there is a chance of can be deleted. Okay, unknowingly can be deleted.
Sir,
So
I
just
mean,
yeah.
that may happen due to some software or hardware failure of
Can
the
be, can
storage
be.
where the
Yes, yes,
logs are
can be,
being stored.
can be, can be. Yes. Okay, fine, guys. So my question is, please be ready. So now, see, this is the important interview question. You will get it. Every Sunday, full backup. Every day, differential backup at night 10 p.m. At 10 p.m. 10 p.m. means night only, right? At 10 p.m. And every 15 minutes, log backup. Okay, every 15 minutes, log backup. So database is corrupted on Thursday, SDAY, Thursday, morning or 3:16 a.m. Okay, so database is corrupted Thursday morning 3:16, guys. Now don't tell your answers, type your answers. I want to recover the database. I want to achieve point in time recovery for this database. How many full, how many differential, how many log backups I have to use to restore the database? Okay, to recover the database, to minimize the data loss. Type your answers, how many full, differential and log backups I need to restore the database. Tell me, guys. Type your answers in the chat quickly. You got my question right, everyone? Hmm. Sorry. If you are not getting the question, please let me know, guys. Okay. Right, what about others? Others I don't see, guys. Why? Any problem is there? Hardly 10 people. I can see the response from 10 people, guys. Okay. So B, please count and tell me the figure. How many log backups? Don't type your answers one answer. One, so you will type full backup, then the next after 10 messages differential backup. I cannot like it will be difficult to consolidate all the things. Okay. Guys, this is an important interview question. Please respond. So I can see only 10 people responded till now. I don't know. Likita, any issue?
Shanmugh, little bit busy. I'm unable to type. Shanmugh, within 10 minutes, I will be. I'm here in class.
Okay, okay. And okay. So Radha, Kalyani, Wahab, Harishankar, Shivam, Farooq, Sridhar, Tabassum, and Mauni, Saurabh, Sampath, Sanjeev, Sharath, and Swati, B, and same. So Sheikh Sarwar Hussain, Shivam Dikshit. Venkatesh, it is new to you. That's okay. Don't worry. Okay. Just try to understand the things. Okay. You don't worry at all. So you can slowly understand once you started watching the previous sessions. Okay. Okay, fine. So, right, let's go back and check, guys. And first, okay, Radha, let me first tell you the answer. One full backup, Sunday full backup, correct? Plus one differential backup, which is Wednesday differential backup. Okay, Thursday
Yeah.
early morning. So Thursday early morning means every day we have differential backups right at 10 p.m. So one differential backup. Okay, one differential backup, which is Wednesday differential, one Wed differential backup plus from Wednesday differential backup 10 p.m. to Thursday morning. Okay, 10 p.m. to morning. How many hours, guys? 10 to 3. How many hours? 2 hours plus 3 hours, 5 hours. Okay, 5 4 is 20
5 years.
plus 3 15, 21 backups. Okay, log backups is the correct answer. So now, Wahab, you will get an assignment. Okay, so Radha, correct answer, one full, one differential, 21 log backups. Kalyani, one thing. I think Sunday full, last differential, and 21 Kalyani. Now is it clear? 20 or 21, is it clear? Okay, so Wahab, one full, four differential backups, 21 log backups. Harishankar, one full backup of Sunday, one differential backup Wednesday, 21 log backups. Very good. Shivam Dikshit, yeah. One full, one differential, 21. Good. Farooq, one full Wednesday differential backup and all the. I need count Farooq, okay? Okay, count. And Sridhar, Sunday full, Wednesday differential backup, Wednesday 10 onwards, log backups on Thursday. Sridhar, I need count, okay? Tabasum, Sunday full backup, Wednesday latest differential backup from 10 p.m. to 3:15 a.m. 21 log backups. So 1 minute data loss. Okay, good. And Mauni one full backup. Good. Saurabh, Sunday full backup, Wednesday differential backup 21. Good. Sampath. Okay, one full, one differential log till I need count. Sampath. Sanjeev one full differential and there is no count of log backup. Sharath, Sunday full backup, Wednesday differential backup 10 to 21 log backups. Good. Swati, one full, one differential, and 21 log backups. B, Sunday full backup, Wednesday differential backup, and Wednesday log 10, 15, 10, 30, and every 15 minutes, so 21 log backups. Good. Sampath 21. Mauni, 1 Wednesday differential backup. Sanjeev 21 log backups. Venkatesh, okay. Kalyani. Venkatesh, after typing the answer, also you'll type. Right. Fine. Good, guys. So Wahab, you will get an assignment. Apart from Wahab, everyone said correct answer. Okay. So Wahab said four differential backups. I'm not sure. Maybe you didn't attend the last session, but of course, this is very important. As I said, even in the beginning of the session, also I said very clearly. I said only always one recent differential backup, but you said four differential backups. So your assignment will be okay. Your assignment will be take a pen and paper and write down this definition for 10 times and take a pic and send it to me. Okay, the whole definition of the differential backup you have to write down for 10 times and on a paper, not typing and all. On a paper you have to write it down and you have to send it to me, guys. Okay, Wahab, clear? This is very important. As see, if you tell wrong answer, I don't give assignment. If you tell blunder answer, I'll definitely give assignment. You shouldn't forget about that one. So blunders means that is the end of the interview. That's it. Okay. So please be careful, everyone. So Wahab, your assignment will be like you have to write this for 10 times and you have to send it to me. Okay. Fine. So now I hope we are good till log backups, guys. Right. So now let's go to copy only backups. What is copy only backup? So how it will work? So in the last scenario, we discussed one thing. Okay. Last scenario, we have like a Sunday full backup, Sunday full backup. If you remember this scenario, okay, again, I'll try to explain. Every day differential backup, diff backup, every day diff backup. Sorry. Let me first show you how to take the log backups. Okay. And one more point I will add, guys. Right. We can take log backups. Okay. Or else I'll add it later. I'll add it for full recovery model database, for full recovery, for full and bulk log recovery and bulk logged recovery model. I'll tell you what is full and don't worry at all. I'll tell you. If it is new, definitely I'll tell you. There is a separate class. After this backups will start restores, right? Then I'll tell you what is this recovery model and all. Recovery model databases. Okay, so this point I'll add. And yes, if you go down, every day differential backup, every Sunday full backup, every day differential backup, Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, every 15 minutes log backup, 15 minutes log backup. And I told you one more scenario, if you remember, suddenly someone took on Wednesday, someone took full backup and deleted. Someone took full backup and deleted, guys. Okay, if you remember this, remember, guys, we discussed about this scenario earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, someone took full backup in the middle of the week, and of course, when you took the full backup, the differential chain will start from Wednesday only, right? From the last full backup, it will start. So in that scenario, if the database is corrupted, how we are going to recover? Like there is no answer that time. Okay, again I'll repeat it. Every Sunday full backup, every day differential backup, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday differential backup we have. And suddenly someone took in the middle of the backup, in the middle of the backup strategy, like on the Wednesday, someone took full backup. So as full backup is initiated in the middle of the week, the Thursday differential backup, it will count from the Wednesday. Friday differential backup, it will count from the Wednesday. Saturday differential backup, it will count from the Wednesday. But he deleted that Wednesday full backup. Now you don't have lost full backup. You have differential backups, but you don't have lost full backup. If the database is corrupted on Saturday morning or Saturday evening, how you are going to recover? Right? As there is no current full backup, you can recover the last Sunday and you can recover the data till here. In this scenario, we can achieve this in two possible cases. Don't think that time we didn't discuss about the copy only backup. So now this is possible. Now you know what is copy only backup. Then I'll tell you what and all solutions we have. Now first let's go and take the log backup, guys. How to take the log backup? Very simple. Same, right click, tasks and backup, and then here you can choose. Earlier you can choose, like earlier you see that full and differential. Now you can choose transaction log backup, transaction log backup, both are same. Remove this path, add it. See concept and the thing, what is that? The process of taking backups for everything is same. If it is full, from the drop down you will choose full. If it is differential, from the drop down you will choose differential, and if it is log, from the drop down you will choose log. That's it. Browse, and you can give the name of the backup, Amazon underscore log backup underscore today's date, okay, 31/1/2025, Dot, what is the extension of log backups, guys? Extension of log backups.
TRN.
Dot TRN. Okay, transaction log backup, right?
Instead of 31, you have written 21 data.
21. Okay, fine. Thank you. So 31, 31, 1, 2025. Okay, 2025. Okay. So dot TRN. TRN means transaction, right? Dot TRN is the extension for the log backups, guys. Okay, you can just click OK and click OK. And here the options are same. Extra option will be there. That is same, guys. No extra option. There is an option called truncate. I'll show you later. Right. So this is how you have to select the log backup. Okay. Database and type of the backup. Give the path and file name .trn. Remaining all options are same and you just click OK. So in this way you can take the log backup, guys, using GUI. So using query, what is the query to take the log backup? So how it will start, tell me. If it is a full backup, database name. If it is a log backup, you can try it.
Log backup.
With transaction.
Backup log
Very good.
and
Backup
database name.
log database name Amazon to
To
disk
disk.
is equal to, I'm giving default path, so I'm not giving any path. Okay. Amazon underscore log backup underscore 31.5. Why my keypad is not working? 31.1.25, or I'll simply add 2025. Okay, earlier I had 25, right? If I give the same name, what will happen, guys? If I give the same name, what will happen to the same location? It will be, backups will be, if I give the same name to the backup file,
Appended.
to the same
Override.
location.
Emulate.
Overwrite.
Is it so? B and who else? Someone said overwrite.
Overwrite or append. I don't know.
Oh, appended.
It will append. It will
If you are confusing, tell me, I'll
But
give you an assignment. Okay.
So no, I mean if you put it
I mean,
depends what
okay.
you choose. If you choose append, then it will be
By default, what?
It should be appended.
you will append.
Right.
You
Okay.
will append.
Dot trn. You just missed B, otherwise you will get an assignment. Okay. Dot trn. Backup log database name to disk is equal to path database log backup, whatever that is, backup file name dot trn. Okay. Dot trn and alt text. So the log backup will be generated. Backup log successfully processed. You can see here, this is the output. You can also go and check the log backups physically. Go to the default location, this PC, C drive, program files, Microsoft SQL Server, instance. What is the instance, guys? Default. So go to MS SQL Server and go to MS SQL and go to backup folder. You can see here. Where is my other log backup, guys? To which location it took? Right click, tasks, backup, see program files. Okay, last time also I gave the same name. Okay. Okay. Let me cross check then. Right click, restore. Don't worry. Okay. I'll tell you what is this and all. From device, browse, add, and log backup, double click and select it and contents. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, it was appended. Okay, last time also I gave the same name. I thought last time I gave just 25. So you can see here that was appended, guys. It contains 2 log backups in that file. One is at 650, another one is at 652. You can see the LSN numbers. See, this is how LSN numbers look like. Okay, first LSN, last LSN, checkpoint LSN. So this is how it looks like, guys. Size of the backup. Okay, which user took the backup? Like this, you can see. Right? Close it. So it was appended. That's why you can see. Now I'll give a small change here. Instead of 2025, I'll just give 25.trn alt text. Now this time second log backup will be generated. Yeah, you can see here 85 kV. Okay. So this is how it will work, guys. So log backup. You know right now how to take log backup using GUI and query. Everyone, any questions, doubts?
If you took in different location,
No, it won't create any problems. If the file is existed, it will be appended, guys. Simple logic. When the append case will come, append or overwrite when it will come. If it is existed only, right? If it is different location, how it will be existed? There is no question of append and overwrite. It will simply create a backup set.
my question is that this is a LSN based, right? It is looking for before log LSN last number. So
See,
yes.
it don't depends on the location, okay? Even though you took to the same location or default location or
So
different.
in MSDB database, it will store all these things. So
Yes, yes.
it will directly go there, and the last
Correct.
log backup took location somewhere.
Correct.
So it collect the data from there, and if you change the location of new log backup, it will continue like that, right?
There is no question of locations either. First of all, forget about it. Don't confuse or don't get confused here. Why there is a point of location here. Location LSN, how you are matching.
No.
There is no
Because
question of
it is
location.
full backup is independent backup, no problem, and differential and log backup is dependent on last full backup, right?
Okay.
That's why.
Then what is the point of location here? If the see, is it going to behave differently if the location is changed? The concept is same, right? Whatever
Yes,
location
yes,
is the default location or a different location also, the concept is same. There is no
yes.
difference at all. The LSN numbers also will never be changed if the location is changed and all. Okay. So there is no
No.
point of location topic here. Any location, the process and the concept, everything is same.
Okay, done.
Yeah. So guys, is it clear now? Are we good about full differential log, everyone? This is very important. Daily we'll work on the backups. Daily.
Yes.
Daily in the organization will work on the backups, guys. Okay, please be clear. If you are not clear, again, just go back to it and just check it once. Okay, fine. So now let's coming to the copy only backups. This is the scenario. Last time, as I said, someone took a full backup and just deleted, okay, that backup because of the space issues and all. So now if we want to recover, there will be a problem. So guys, log backups, differential backups, one more thing I want to tell you about the differential backups. Differential backups are optional backups. It's not mandatory. Optional backups. Why, Shanmukh, you said this point? What is the meaning of optional backup? It's not mandatory. Full and log both are mandatory, but differential is not mandatory. Differential is not mandatory. Why like that? The same scenario, if there is no differential backups, how can I achieve this scenario? This scenario, if I don't have differential backup, how can I achieve the same? How can I recover the database? Can you tell me the alternatives? There is no differential backup scheduled in my organization. In that scenario, how I can recover the data?
By using full
I'll
backup and
take full backup
log
Very
and
backup.
good. Very
log
good.
every 15 minutes back.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
It depends on the recovery model. If it's simple recovery, it's just one backup. If it's full recovery, then you do the T-log backup,
Yes.
I believe.
So, yes. Okay. Differential backups are optional, guys. Some organizations you don't find differential backups. It's not mandatory. See, every 15 minutes you are taking, see, every transaction will be part of the log file, right? You cannot, the transaction cannot skip. So anyhow, you are taking a transaction backup at log file. Okay, at the log file level, you are already taking a backup. So again, the same transactions will be part of the differential backup. So here, differential backups are not mandatory. So if you want to achieve without differential backup, one full backup, imagine full backup happened Sunday night 10 a.m. No, sorry, 10 p.m. Sunday at 10 p.m. From Sunday 10 p.m. to till Thursday morning, how many log backups are there? From Sunday 10 p.m. to till Thursday morning 3:15, how many log backups are there? You have to restore all the log backups. You can imagine from Sunday 10 p.m., Monday 10 p.m., 24 hours, Tuesday 10 p.m., 24 hours, Wednesday 10 p.m., 24 hours, Wednesday 10 p.m. to your Thursday 3:16 a.m., 5 hours, right? 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 5 hours. How many hours? 72 plus 5, 77 hours. 77 into every hour 4 log backups. 77 into 4, how many?
308.
77 into 4. How many?
308.
308. Right? 308 log backups plus 1. Okay, plus 1. 309 log backups you have to restore. Instead of 21 log backups, you have to restore one full backup plus 309 log backups. So 309 log backups you have to restore means it will be difficult. There is a chance that we can miss something in between. To overcome the log backup count, we will have differential backups. Differential backups are not mandatory, guys. Are we good here? Everyone, this is an extension of the topic. Okay, sometimes some organizations they don't take any differential backups. They will run with the full and log backups only. So don't worry, that is common only. Differential backup will reduce the count of the log backup. If you have differential backup, the latest one, 21 log backups are enough. If you don't have the latest differential backup, or if there is no concept of differential backups in your organization, you have to restore last full backup and 309 log backups. Are we good now? Guys?
But Shamu,
Yes, please. Tell me, please.
Some organizations they only do full backups, nothing else.
See, that is
No
not
T
possible.
backup,
That is
nothing,
not possible.
no
Not possible.
differentials.
Not possible. That is worst backup strategy.
That's what I have in my environment.
That is the worst. Your environment is worst.
We only do full we only do full backups. That's it. No differential. No, they only have
Maybe
simple
they
recovery.
don't.
That's it.
Yeah, they
Nothing
don't.
else.
They only all the databases are in simple recovery mode.
All of them, not even one
On
in
production
all of them
also.
are simple recovery. All productions.
I don't know. That is not good, but still, how they are. Is it a critical application or just normal application?
And see, we offer database as a service. It's a PaaS environment. It's like a
See, that is different. Don't compare cloud and on-premises. That is different. Okay, if they are having
okay.
backups, yeah, from the cloud side, if they're having any other backup strategy that they can achieve. Okay, but again, the on-premises, don't compare with the on-premises and cloud. Okay, so don't compare like that. So that is different. This is different. So BaaS service, database as a service is there. So maybe based on that, maybe they are taking backup in another way, like file level kind of thing, something like that. But it's if it is a cloud, that will be completely different. Okay, if it is an on-premises, okay, and if the recovery model is full log backups are mandatory. Okay, guys, don't worry about the recovery model. We will discuss.
Okay.
There is a separate class. So now are we good or not? If there is no differential backup, you got the logic or not, everyone? Okay, if there is no differential backup, you have to restore all. Very simple logic here. You have to restore all the log backups since last full backup. If you have differential backup, from the last differential backup to till the point it's corrupted, you have to restore all the log backups, guys. That's it. Very simple. If you have, you can use it. The log backups count will be reduced. If you don't have differential backup, you can skip it. The log backup count will be increased. That's it. Clear, everyone? Tabasum?
Sanmukh, I have one question.
Yes, Sanjeev.
So, how can we know that when like last full backup is?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. So we can check, guys. There are some system tables. Okay, from that system tables we can see when last full backup happened, when last differential backup happened, to which location it happened, and who took the backup, what is the size of the backup. Okay, and everything you can easily check it. Okay, using system tables that will be there in the MSDB. I told you, right? MSDB is responsible for automation, backups, restores. Information will be stored in the MSDB. So in the MSDB there are 5 system tables will be dedicatedly for backups. So that 5 system tables will extract the backups information. It will tell you when you took the backup last time, which location, okay, who took the backup, size of the backup file, what type of backup it is. Everything it will track inside the MSDB backup tables. I'll tell you, I'll show you. Likita, yes, drive space issue is correct. So it's very important. So you have to keep adding the storage. Okay, you have to keep adding the storage. As it is a backups you have to keep adding the storage. Depends. Again, that doesn't mean continuously we'll add it. We'll have a backup retention policy. We will delete the old backup so that we can acquire some space. I'll tell you, I'll cover this topic in another discussion. Okay, guys, so far are we good or not? It is important. That's why I'm stressing or something, whatever. So is this clear now so far? Backup, full, differential and log backups.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, the backup
Yes.
procedure and
Yes, Farooq.
sir, the backup strategies need to be automated, sir.
Of course,
Well,
of
you
course.
Yes.
Guys, don't worry at all. Everything there is a solution. We cannot take a log backup for every 15 minutes on every database. If you are managing 1,000 servers, in each server, if you have 10 databases, 1,000 into 10, 10,000 databases, is it possible to take log backup for every 15 minutes on 10,000 databases? Should be automated. Whatever things that you are doing continuously, regularly, if you are trying to do the same thing, can be automated, should be automated. Okay, so there is an automation in the automation concept. We'll discuss all these things. Right. Now, copy only backup. So what is this copy only backup, guys? Very simple. Very simple. Copy only backup is nothing but I told you, right? Copy only full backup generally. Full backup will do two things. What are those two things? What are those two things, guys? Full backup will do two things. What are those two things?
Will take hold.
It will take the backup of committed and uncounted
Very good.
transactions,
Very good. Next.
and DCM pages will be reset.
Reset. Very good. Nice, nice. So your copy only backup will work same as full backup in one case. And the second case, the DCM pages are there, right? DCM pages will not reset in the copy only full backup. Okay, copy only full backup. Copy only full backup will take the backup of whole database like a full backup, but it will not touch the DCM pages. So why? Because I told you, right, last time in this strategy, in the middle, okay, every Sunday full backup, every day differential backup, okay, and every 15 minutes log backup. In the middle Thursday, someone took again full backup, manual full backup. Customer requested to take the full backup. So some deployments you are doing on the database for safe side. Okay, customer asked us to take the full backup. He requested us. Our customer is asking us to restore the database from prod to non-prod. So he need a fresh copy. So suddenly you took the full backup in the middle of the week. And after restoration process, after you restored the database in the non-prod environment, you deleted the current full backup. That will create a problem for the differential backups. To avoid that, we have copy only full backup, guys. So if you take in the middle of the week, if someone is asking, hey, I need a full backup, we are doing an important deployment, so for safety, can you please take a full backup? They don't know what is full backup and copy only full backup. So which backup you have to take, guys? If you are taking it manually, which backup you have to take? Always you have to prefer
Copy.
copy only full backup. Copy only full backup will not reset DCM pages. In this scenario, in the last scenario, okay, where is that scenario? Log backup before that. We have added, right? Somewhere we have added. Not this one. Okay, fine, no issues. Okay, so in this scenario, on Thursday, if someone took, yeah, here only. This is the one. So on Wednesday, if you took a full backup, so the differential backup chain will start from Wednesday onwards. So if this full backup is deleted, then it will create a problem. Okay, to avoid that, on Wednesday, if someone is asking a full backup, take copy only full backup instead of full backup. So it will not touch the DCM pages, it will not reset. So Thursday differential backup will again count it from Sunday only. Are you getting the point, guys? So even though you deleted this ad hoc full backup, nothing is going to be impacted. If you take a full backup, it will reset the DCM pages and a fresh count will start from the Wednesday full backup onwards. Clear, everyone? This is clear, right? In the middle of the week, if you take a full backup, from that point onwards, DCM pages, again, it will start a new journey. So Thursday differential backup contains changes from Wednesday to Thursday. This is clear, right? This is what we discussed till now. Now, if suddenly if this full backup is deleted, Thursday differential backup will be impacted. You cannot restore it. Thursday differential backup you cannot directly restore on Sunday. So what we can do, instead of full backup, you take copy only full backup. So copy only full backup, only it will take the backup of the database. It will not reset the DCM pages. It will not touch the DCM pages. So on Thursday, if you take differential backup, from when it will count, guys? The Thursday differential backup contains changes from
Sunday.
Sunday
Tuesday.
to Tuesday. Na? Again, you'll be confused between a log and a differential backup. Why Tuesday? Your differential backup always count last full backup only, right? Okay, so Sunday to Thursday, you will have the changes. So in the middle of the week, if you take a copy only backup and if you delete also, it will not impact the Thursday differential backup. It will not impact the Friday differential backup. Happily, the chain will continue. So that reason we will take the copy only full backup, guys. Okay, so that is the reason we'll take the copy only full backup. Otherwise, if you don't understand anything, I'll tell you one simple line. All the ad hoc backups, ad hoc full backups should be copy only full backup only. If suddenly someone coming to you, or suddenly if anyone is asking, hey, I need a production copy in my dev server, in my lower environment, I need a production copy. So you have to take a full backup. There is a chance, generally we will not take a full backup in the organization. There is an automation. This automation will take the full backups continuously on all the databases. If there is a situation that arises, you have to manually take the full backup. Always it's preferred to take which backup, guys? Which backup? Which backup?
Copy only backup.
Copy only
full
backup.
Copy only.
So very simple logic here. Forget about copy only logic or full backup logic. Very simple. You will not take full backups. Jobs will run. It will take full backups daily, continuously as per the schedule. If there is a situation comes and if anyone is asking to take a manual full backup, they don't know. They don't tell you, hey, take copy only full backup. They are from the application team. They don't know the difference between full backup and copy only full backup. You cannot argue with them. Hey, you only asked full backup. That's why I took the full backup. You don't have manners. You don't know what is copy only full backup. You cannot talk to them like that. They are from the application team. They are from the different team. They don't know what is the difference between full and log backup. Full and differential backup, and full and copy only backup. So if someone is coming to you and if even though he is asking a full backup, which backup you have to take?
Copy only.
Copy only backup.
All the manual backups, full backups, all the manual full backups should be copy only full backups only. Just remember this point. That is enough. Clear? So if any situation comes and if anyone asking you to restore a fresh copy of the database in the lower environment, go to production server, take copy only full backup and copy that backup to the lower environment, restore it. That's it. Very simple. Manual, we don't take full backups. There is a job, automation will be there. Automation will take the full backups continuously. So if you have to take a full backup, always it's preferred to take copy only full backup, guys. That's it. Remember this point. Okay, so now how to take copy only full backup? Right click, tasks, backup, and sorry guys, I'll give the break. Okay, don't worry. Choose full as it is. Don't change anything. Here select copy only. Just copy only plus full is equal to copy only full backup. Okay, remove this path, add it, and browse it, and select any location, and Amazon underscore copy only backup, copy only full backup underscore today's date 31 125 why dot BAK extension also will be BAK only. Click OK. Remaining don't need to change anything. Okay, all the options are same, guys, that we have already discussed. You can just leave it and simply you can skip those things and click OK. Only thing you have to choose copy only here. That's it. Okay, and the command is backup database Amazon to disk is equal to default path. So I'm not mentioning the path. Amazon underscore copy only, CP only, full backup underscore 31 1. Okay, server time today is 31, guys. Today actually is 1st February 2025 dot BAK What is the differential backup query, guys? What is the differential backup query?
With the differential.
Correct. What is the full backup query? This is actually full backup query, right? Backup database name to disk is equal to file name dot bak. Correct. So what will be the copy only backup query?
With copy.
That's it, with copy only. Very good. Copy underscore only. Okay. It should be changed to blue color, guys. If you give any wrong and all like this, it will be black color. Black color means it's a wrong. Okay. So all the syntaxes should be in blue color only. Select it, execute it. Done. This is your backup. So data wise, there is no difference between full and differential. In the full backup, if you have 100 records, sorry, data wise, there is no difference between full and copy only full backup. In the full backup, if you have 100 records, in the copy only full backup also, you will have same 100 records. Will be no change in the data. Full backup will reset the DCM pages. Copy only full backup will not touch the DCM pages. That's it. Okay. So you can see here, this is one backup and this is using query. This is using GUI, guys. So that is all about your copy only full backup. Take a break, come back after 15 minutes. We'll discuss about the other backups, guys. Okay. I'll be back after 15 minutes.